in this question, it is given that genotype of a husband is IAIB and that of his wife is IAI. So, among the blood types of their children, you have to identify how many different genotypes and phenotypes are possible. Now, as the genotype of husband is IAIB, therefore the gametes that he will produce would be IA and IB. And for the wife, the gametes would be IA and I. So, after making the Punnett square, we can see that genotypes of the children are IAIA, IAIB, IAI and IBI. So, the phenotypes of the children, that is children would be having blood group A for IAIA and IAI, blood group B, IBI and blood group AB, IAIB. So, total number of genotypes is equal to 4 and total number of phenotypes, that is group A, group B and group AB equal to 3. Hence, the correct answer is option B.